Are you considering hair restoration surgery for androgenetic alopecia? When it comes to your hair, you deserve the best.
Hi, I'm Dr. Julieta Arambulo, a diplomate of American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery and Fellow of International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery.
Credentials matter. Look for experts like Dr. Arambulo who holds these prestigious titles.
Choosing the true authority in hair transplant surgery ensures your safety and satisfaction.
Don't compromise on your hair. Choose expertise. Choose the true authority in hair transplant surgery. Contact us today to schedule your consultation.